hook them on all that plugs in to the battery with the clamps, the little black and red clips, and that one was sold out, so this was all there was available, and needed a tire inflator, so giving this a shot. Looks like we're almost done here. Looking really good. We are on tire number 2 here. So I have inflated all 4 tires a little with this, and gets warm to the touch, won't lie about that. That's about how long I can hold my hand on here. That long. Sturdy, all metal. One of the reasons it gets hot, obviously, but yeah, this thing gets a little toasty, pumping up 4 tires that have been sitting a long time, but like a trooper, it did the job, and didn't take a super long time either. So, pretty happy with this Air Armor compressor. Not too bad. Not too bad. Overall, I'd say this little sucker is pretty expensive, but if you go with those cheap plastic air compressors off of Amazon, you know, they're just trashy, and the parts are cheap, and they're not going to last. They might pump up your tires a couple of times, but do you want to depend on that in an emergency? You get stranded somewhere, whether it be a highway or on a 4x4 trail. You know, off-roading, you really don't want to be 5, 10 plus miles from help and need an air compressor and not have one. So, yeah, I would say invest in good gear now, and then it won't cost you later.